interrupt our regular scheduled program to bring you this message about your summer.
Woohoo! Summertime is coming.
All right, Memorial Day is coming up, and we have some ideas that we want to share with you on how to make it a great summer, guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
And here's the thing. Trish has a knack for making things fun, if you haven't noticed, all right? But it's a learned skill. It's a secret that she's gonna share with you. And we have some ideas that are gonna help you make it a great summer. So, you ready to get started?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. I am so excited. We have something special for you. And it just came in, our copy of our Summer to Remember list.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Let's hang it up.
Okay, let's hang it up now. Oh, check this puppy out.
Now the question is, should we let everyone know where we are?
Nah.
No? You can figure it out as we drive around this RV park. Maybe you can figure it out. But right now we're gonna head over to the horse stables, and we are gonna share with you about how to make a summer fun list.
We have 3 easy steps.
That's right.
And so we're gonna share with you the first one. 2 hands on the wheel here.
Okay, do you have the list?
Oh, I have the list. The list is step 1. Make a list for your summer. We have been doing this since 2013 with the kids because I knew everyone was coming home from school and I was like, what are we gonna do for 2.5 months? And so we started writing, we'd had like a little family meeting with the kids. We're like, what do you wanna do this summer? And then there were like these big grandiose ideas.
Oh my gosh, yeah, and then I'm sorry I asked.
Yeah, let's bring it down. Like, what can we do on the daily? And we started coming up with fun little things. And I think that's the most important part of the summer fun list, is coming up with the little things that give you purpose in your free time, like eating a popsicle.
Which I thought was kind of silly when Trish first created this list. I'm like, are you really gonna put that on our list? And she's like, yeah. I'm gonna do it. And it turned out to be a lot of fun. It made it, like Trish was saying, it created purpose to the summer, and we were able to do things like read in a hammock, go to a water park, watch fire lakes, go to the lake, and we were checking things off. It felt like a more fun and more productive summer because we could measure it.
You can measure it exactly. And the other thing is, if you have a school program that says, hey, your kids have to read this many books, well, instead of saying you've got to read 10 books, you could say, read a book in a hammock. Yeah. You could say, you know, we're gonna go be part of the library readathon or something like that. And then once you put it on the list, it makes it a little bit more fun. So not only does the list have like everyday things, but it has ways to give back. It has ways to get things done that normally maybe wouldn't be as fun. And then if you're doing something epic, you know, it puts it on the list so you have something to look forward to. Yeah. And it doesn't feel like, oh, what are we doing this summer? You are doing this and it's super fun, but you're gonna have to wait a little bit.
Well, and in 2013, I believe it was 2013, we had deliver cookies to the fire department.
Yes, I put that on again this year.
Oh, you did? And that turned out to be a lot of fun. Yeah. And we've got pictures of that. And so I think the point and all this is Trish, but the point we learned from this is that it's really just making fun. Yes. Creating something to go have fun. Yes. And not every summer can you go out and have this massive trip. Right? But that doesn't mean you can't have a great summer. So this is one idea that's going to help you make it a great summer. So we have this for you completely for free and downloadable. So without our stuff, it's just this, and you can get a Sharpie and start writing it in, and everybody in your family can get a Sharpie and put their thing down, whatever they want to do, so that you feel like you guys are all on the same page and you're moving forward toward a great summer. All right, idea number 2 is to focus on what you can do and not what you can't do. So well said. Sometimes we get hyper-focused on the things we want to do that aren't in the deck of cards for this summer or in the near future. Instead of doing that, turn your focus on what you can do. Maybe bring it down and start focusing on the little awesome things that add up to make a great summer. Yeah, I mean, I think from our perspective, there were summers where we just weren't able to take the trip that we wanted to take. And maybe it's a national park that you've always wanted to visit, but it's going to take another few days and you just don't have the time this summer. And speaking for me, it's easy to just focus on that. Like, that's what I want to go on that trip. And it's also easy to just be like, well, if I can't go on that trip, I don't want to go anywhere this summer. This summer is
terrible.
It's over. It's over. All right?
Call it off.
Call it off. I'm canceling summer.
I'm canceling summer. Hello? I'm done.
I'm done. But, you know, the fact is there really is still so much that you can do. And I don't think it's the destination. I don't think it's where we end up. Some of the best memories are some of the stuff that goes wrong.
Hello. Yes, it's the things that go wrong. Those are the things that are going to make you laugh the entire year. And that's not about where you are, but who you're with.
Yes.
Making those memories. So focus on the people that you love and do fun little things all summer long to make great memories.
And then a few years from now, you'll come back and you'll say, remember that time? And I promise you, whatever happened that you're remembering will have nothing to do with where you are. It'll have all to do with who you're with and the silly little things that just happened.
Yes.
It's not the most ridiculous RV park. We've never had a golf cart.
No. So much fun.
But Caleb was just relentless on getting a golf cart, so we finally got a golf cart for like 24 hours.
Yes.
It is pretty fun though. There's people right there. Oh wait, did you see that? Oh, you might not. They might have saw that bus. They might know where we are right now. Anyhow, what's kind of fun is that this is a real-time video. Like, this was recorded and shot this week.
Yes.
And there's still so much happening in season 7, and we're excited for the channel to finally catch up to our adventures out here. But anyhow, so I think what we're going to do right now is head out to the ferry boats.
Got the keys to my ride.
Keep it close.
Idea number 3, document your summer. We have been so many places, and you know we document well, but we will leave and we'll be like, anybody get a picture?
No pictures. No pictures.
Nothing?
The whole idea behind these shirts and hashtag Summer to Remember is that you can document where you're going and that we can follow you.
Yes.
Trish can send you some love and we can find out what's going on, because sometimes you just need a community of people that's going to get excited for what you're doing.
That's right.
And show what you're doing and remember all the things that we do.
Yes. Well, and we call that our can-do community. We find people that want to be supportive and helpful and give ideas and get excited with you. And that's what we want to be for you. We want to get excited with you, no matter if it's eating a popsicle or looking at a grand view. We want to be there with you, and we want you to document your summer, because life goes by fast.
It does. And these shirts are only available for another week, so if you haven't snatched one up yet, go to keepyourdaydream.com/summer so that you can get it, and we can follow with what you're doing this summer.
Yeah! So you're going to give us a little recap?
Yeah, let's do a recap. So idea number 1 was make a list, and our tip for this idea is to don't turn it into a hashtag summer bucket list. Keep it a summer fun list.
That's right. Keep it simple so that they're achievable things that you can do on the daily.
And idea number 2, focus on the things you can do and not the things you can't do.
That's right. The grass is greener where you water it. Be excited about the things you can do and not compare yourself to other people's pictures or other people's summers. Get pumped about what you're able to do, and I guarantee it will make you a lot happier.
And then, of course, idea number 3 is document your summer. And, of course, use the hashtag Summer to Remember. But what tips do you have for this?
Okay, so if you create your list and you're able to say, I'm going to take a picture of every single thing I do on that list, when you look back, you'll say, 2019 was amazing, and you'll be eating a popsicle.
Yes, it'll look like your best summer ever.
Yes, because you documented it and you made the effort to do something.
All right, so those are our 3 tips for your summer, and season 7 is off to a great start, and there's still so much more to come. First of all, the channel has to even catch up to where we are right now, because this is a real-time video.
Yes.
And then the things we have planned is we continue to go north through Kentucky and Wisconsin, Indiana.
Don't forget about Tennessee.
Oh my gosh, Tennessee. There are some states that we are really excited about.
Yes.
And so we've been getting lots of emails and lots of recommendations. I have no idea how we're even going to do all of that, because
I've been keeping a running document. I'm very excited.
Yes. We can't wait to follow you this summer, and we'll see you again Sunday.
Can't wait to see. Double tap. Love, 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 love what you're up to. Bye for now. I'm trying to get away from the turkey. I crossed the street so I didn't have to walk with him, and then he was across the street, so now I'm back over here.
Why did the turkey cross the road? Well,
to get to Thanksgiving?
Trish, I think you've got nothing to be worried about.
Hi, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
For not feeding or petting. Oh, we're not allowed to pet you.
We're not allowed to pet you, bro?
Is this guy not gorgeous or what?
Wow.
Wow.
You are beautiful.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, stop.
Stomp, stomp.